doing?
Hi Manu. I am playing a game called Marble Game. You know, this is one of the very interesting games which we used to play in our childhood. It is a mind game and it also engages us very nicely, you know. It's such an interesting game we used to play because that time there were no gadgets or any other things. So we used to always engage ourselves in different kinds of game. I'm going to teach you this game. But anyways, before that, as you promised, you are going to narrate me one story. Okay?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Come on, go on.
Okay.
Sit down.
This story's name is called The Laughing Rajma.
Rajma, laughing Rajma. Wait. Rajma means that grain which we eat, seed?
Yes.
Oh, Rajma will laugh? Did this happen really?
Yes.
Where did this happen?
In Kashmir.
Ah, okay. Go on.
Once upon a time, an old woman was hungry.
Okay.
She was searching for something to cook.
Mm-hmm.
Then she found a large bowl of Rajma seeds.
Okay.
She also got some leaf blades and coal to make fire.
Oh, that time there were no gas stove, so they need the straw and this coal and the wooden sticks to make a stove. Yeah, come on, tell me, go on.
Then she had a pan full of water and Rajma seeds.
Okay,
Then she boiled the Rajma seeds with water.
okay.
One Rajma seed was suffering with hotness. Then it escaped. And
Jumped out of the pot?
yes.
Oh,
Then the leaf blades and coal, also one of them left, also escaped.
from the fire.
Yes.
So one Rajma grain escaped and one leaf blade and coal. Three of them, they came out of the fire.
Yes.
Oh, sounds great. Come on.
Then the Rajma seed said that, "Hey friends, this old woman is trying to kill us. Let's just run out of here." Then they ran and reached a river.
Oh, mm-hmm.
They had a doubt that how can they cross the river?
Oh, they don't know how to cross the river, of course. So what they did?
So the leaf blade told that I will lie down and to the next street, and you can walk over me and get to the other side.
Oh, the leaf blade said it is going to lie down on the river, across the river.
Yes, everyone, the Rajma seed and coal agreed.
Okay.
The leaf blade lay down to the other side,
Mm-hmm.
and the coal started walking.
On the leaf blade?
Yes.
Okay.
Then
Mm-hmm.
the coal was scared and turned. Because the coal turned, the leaf blade caught on fire.
Oh, the coal turned and because of that friction, the leaf blade caught fire.
Yes.
Okay. Then what happened?
Then the leaf blade got burnt up and the coal fell in the river.
Oh, so both of them, they fell down into the river and died.
Yeah, the Rajma seed laughed and jumped at the same time. Jumped so hard and it fell on the ground very hard that even it broke into two pieces.
It was jumping and then broke into two pieces.
Yes.
So funny.
Then a tailor was walking by and saw the Rajma seed broken.
Okay.
She stitched the Rajma seed with green wool.
Oh, the tailor stitched the Rajma seed with green thread.
Yes. Then it had a cool pattern of green lines on its body.
Ah, now I got it. Why Rajma seed have a line in the middle? That is because of this tailor stitching, right?
Yes.
Oh, it's so funny, Manu. Nice story, Manu. So next video, we are going to make another interesting story with our two cool kiddos. Please stay tuned and subscribe to our channel.